The ancient wisdom of Stoicism offers profound insights into living a life of purpose and peace. This philosophy, far from being a dry academic pursuit, provides practical principles for navigating the complexities of human existence. At its heart, Stoicism advocates for self-control, inner strength, and a focus on what is within our power to change. By embracing certain habits of discretion and self-awareness, we can build a resilient spirit and cultivate genuine happiness. One of the cornerstones of Stoic practice is the prudent management of our words. Just as Epictetus observed, we have 2 ears and 1 mouth for a reason: to listen twice as much as we speak. This isn't about hiding or being secretive, but rather about choosing our words thoughtfully and with intention. Sharing every detail of our lives, especially our dreams, goals, or even minor frustrations, can be counterproductive. When we keep our aspirations private, we protect them from the skepticism and judgments of others, allowing them to grow quietly and steadily, like a seed underground. This creates a dedicated space for action and personal development, free from external pressures. Beyond guarding our ambitions, Stoicism also encourages moderation in all things. This extends beyond simple physical restraint to encompass a deeper appreciation for sufficiency over excess. As Musonius Rufus suggested, true contentment isn't found in relentless craving, but in recognizing the value of what we already possess. By limiting our desires and appreciating simplicity, we preserve our health, intellect, and nourish our souls. Gratitude is another powerful Stoic virtue. Epictetus wisely noted that happiness comes from rejoicing in what we have, not grieving for what we lack. In a world constantly pushing us towards comparison and unfulfilled desires, practicing gratitude is a powerful antidote. It shifts our focus from what's missing to the abundance already present, fostering inner peace and true freedom. Complaining, on the other hand, drains our energy and blurs our ability to see the good in any situation. Furthermore, Stoicism teaches us to focus on the present moment. Worrying excessively about the future or dwelling on the past, both beyond our immediate control, only breeds unnecessary stress. The future is an unpredictable landscape, and while planning is useful, clinging rigidly to expectations can lead to disappointment. Instead, by improving ourselves daily through learning and understanding, we cultivate resilience and adaptability, ready to face whatever life brings. Finally, self-respect and the protection of personal boundaries are crucial. This means refraining from self-deprecation, as Marcus Aurelius advised, even in private. Complaining about ourselves erodes our inner peace and hinders self-development. Similarly, guarding our financial situation and the details of our personal relationships from public scrutiny helps preserve their integrity and purity. True wealth lies in the richness of the soul and the depth of our connections, not in what we display to the world. By consciously practicing these principles, discretion in speech, moderation, gratitude, presence, self-respect, and privacy, we not only honor the wisdom of the Stoics, but also forge a path toward a more authentic, peaceful, and fulfilling life.